where's the support team?
I'll just fix it myself.
Don't do that, just use Noem. Adding Noem to Shopify is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Click on New Project, choose Chatbot, choose your company, choose Shopify Chatbot, and you already have all the instructions of your chatbot store right here. All you have to do and modify is the yellow areas and make it your own. But let's connect that to Shopify. All we have to do is click on Shopify, add our domain. So this is my store's domain. And click Authorize. This will open Shopify and ask me to install the Noem chatbot. Install the Noem chatbot. Now that your chatbot is installed, you'll have an authorization access token. You can click on Access Shopify Inventory and Orders and Shopify Settings. I prefer limiting the search results to 3 because otherwise you get overwhelmed. If you want to hide products that are out of stock, you can turn this on here. Or if you have any collections that you want to hide, you can check them on right here. Save that, go to Deploy, Shopify, and here you have the instructions. Super simple. Copy the API key, go to your Shopify store, click on Themes, Customize, click on Apps, turn the Noem app on, click the little arrow, add your API key, and save. Once you save it, you'll see your Noem chatbot showing up right here on the bottom. You can test it. It will already show you all the products that you have in your store. If you don't like this little icon right here, you can come into Noem, Design, and choose whichever little icon you want to show. Go to our store, refresh the page, and here's our little Shopify chatbot right here on our store page. So now we can change whatever questions we want to have here. We can just come into Noem, change the sample prompts. What shirt is right for me? Notice that you can show different prompts for mobile and desktop. Save this. I'm not gonna do this. Save, refresh. And what shirt is right for me, and your bot is automatically going to act as a sales assistant, asking questions without you having to do anything. Notice we did not change anything in the instructions here. And my bot already knows to act as an appointment setter, as a sales representative, ask me all these questions and point me to the right direction. So this is how easy it is to turn Shopify on your store. Now all you have to do is make it your own.